Yeah, so guys, and welcome back to another video. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you install your Intel CPU into your motherboard. To do that, you have to go to your motherboard and first take off this black cover and just set it aside. Now, after you've done that, you get your CPU and first take this down, so you press it and lever it away. Now it should go up like this. Now you take your CPU out, got one right here, and get it out. Now you have to look onto the sides, and on one side there should be a triangle. I'm not sure if you could see it, but mine is like on the bottom left. No, so it doesn't focus. Mine is on the bottom left. On my motherboard, there's like a thing right there, so it indicates the triangle has to go there. So there mostly is a triangle there or something like that. Now you want to take your CPU, place it in the socket. Don't push, just place like this. See that it works, but don't press. Now you want to take back the enclosure, press it down. This will take a little bit of force, but now it's socketed and correctly in. Now to install the cooler, it's very easy. You just have to look that there are like triangles right here. Just turn them away from the arrow where it's pointed. Now you want to place it so that the cable can still hit the pin where it goes in. So for me, it would be the best if I place it like this way. Now you just want to place it, because there's already thermal paste applied. Just want to place it on your CPU and look that it fits into the holes like this. Now just wiggle it around that it's completely in. Then press down, and now it's socketed. Then you want to take your CPU fan cable and plug it into the designated area. Now, after you've done that, it's secured, this is secure, and you're pretty much done with that. And yeah, I hope this was informative for you and it helped you out. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.